In the post-processing parameters window, you can set some post-processing value normalization operations, but the most important settings refer to the definition of correction requirements. In this section, you can set when the recognized value has to be shown for verification. Always, or never, or only when its confidence recognition rate is below a minimum customizable percentage. Also, you can set if the field is mandatory, or it's not. If you set output to be released into a database, a drop-down list with the available output table fields will be available. If you leave this section empty, specific field output will take place only in case of an exact correspondency between template and table fields names.